Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find help in the Ceasar's rewards application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will find your account. Press on it. And here you should look at the top of your right corner and there you will find the settings. Press on that as well. And here you can see the frequently asked questions shortened. You can just press on it. And I should wait a little bit until the new page loads in. And here you can see the popular published answers to frequently asked questions, and you might be able to find the answer here, or if not, you can just enter here a subject, press search, and you might be able to find help like that too. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.